Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you're new here, my name is Rebecca Jamir and I make food videos. Well guys, today I'm here with another video and with another simple recipe. So let me show you what I'm going to make. First of all, let me show you the ingredients. So guys, today I'm going to make chicken with karela. So these are the ingredients: chicken, karela, green chilies, ginger paste, lemon. I'm not going to use this whole lemon, only half of the lemon I'm going to use. The lemon juice I'm going to use. Garlic, later on I will paste it. Red chili powder. Since I'm using green chilies, if you want to avoid this red chili powder, you can avoid this, it's up to you. I have this bamboo shoot juice, so this is the last remaining one. So you use this bamboo shoot juice and salt. So guys, these are all the ingredients. Now we will start cooking. Let me first cut this karela. Okay, it's done. I have already cut the chilies. Add water. Add the green chilies, ginger, add this bamboo shoot juice, salt, red chili powder, we will first bring it to a boil. So guys, it's boiling nicely. Now I'll add lemon. Add this lemon juice. Add this karela. And add this chicken. We'll cover it and let it cook. In between you can stir it also. Oh, sabi to, chili powder halado naman, lal muna. As you can see, the water is almost going to dry up, so add this garlic. I would suggest in this curry, just dry all the water, then it will be more tastier. Well guys, now I'm going to eat. Karela the first taste kurbo. If you're thinking that because of this karela, all this chicken, it's bitter, no, it's not like that. Lai batam boil kurche. Since this sabji is hot, I didn't make any chutney. Today my husband brought this gizzard and liver. Last time he forgot to bring. And please tell me, have you ever tried making chicken with karela? Last time when I visit my cousin brother's house, like the same recipe I made there. So while I was cooking, my cousin brother, he was thinking like, chicken में karela तो किले हले आजो दीदी तो गुना. He was ended inside his heart. He was thinking, हले बनाना खत्म हुआ बिची तो खा लेंगे, ताकि मन taste लगी जाए. After that, he told me that while you were making, I was thinking chicken or karela, why she is making, but it's so tasty, sister, she was saying that. And it's really tasty. Gizzard anja. Karela tu be lemon thala nim lemon tita bhi nahi. If you can eat tita, you don't need to add lemon. But remember, if you're adding lemon, don't add much also, because it will remove all the bitterness. And in karela, if there is no bitterness, then we don't feel like eating like karela. Lemon भी खावा जदों. Liver aja though. Mula husband ane ji this time though. Yeah, Karela the man tasty hoje. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it, share it, comment it, and also those who have not subscribed, please subscribe it to my channel, and also hit the notification icon. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Tata. Next trip khana moiro khabole ase.